1, 0.
And we have liftoff of Vikram 1, India's first private orbital launch
Liftoff
vehicle.
normal.
And we have great views coming from the
Plus 10
tracking
seconds.
cameras. And isn't this quite something?
विक्रम 1 ने अपनी उड़ान भरी है।
tracking.
प्रथम चरण का प्रज्वलन प्रारंभ हो
P1
चुका है।
track.
विक्रम 1 ने प्रक्षेपण पथ को लांघकर आकाश को भेदने का निर्णय ले लिया है, एक ब्रह्मास्त्र की तरह।
That's very true, Suyash and
S1
Akhil. I am
performance normal.
awestruck at the sheer power that stage 1 is producing.
Plus 30
With
seconds.
this, we have two of our major prime mission objectives completed, which was successful ignition and safe tower clearance.
That's right. And we're coming up on max Q now, which is the period of maximum aerodynamic pressure, where the vehicle
Vehicle has crossed 100 kilometers of altitude, which is the notion of edge of space, and we have reached space, guys.
Congratulations, Vikram 1 is in space.
हमारा यान अंतरिक्ष
Plus 3
तक पहुंच चुका है।
And we've had 57 kilometers above the Earth's surface. It is 355 kilometers downrange, traveling at nearly 4 kilometers per second. Now, the
S3
telemetry
performance
will
normal.
switch over from Shar to Port Blair and further to Bogor, our home.
What a beautiful view! क्या सुंदर दृश्य है हमारी पृथ्वी का।
S3 performance normal.
और तृतीय चरण का परफॉर्मेंस अब नॉर्मल है, या कि सामान्य रूप से तृतीय चरण का संचालन प्रारंभ हो चुका है और चल रहा है।
That's right. We've had call out that the stage 3 performance is nominal.
Plus 5 minutes.
So stage 3 has a propellant loading of 2.5 tons, and we've had burnout of the
And aren't you guys speechless right now?
I mean, मेरे पास शब्द ही नहीं है, मतलब ये मैं निशब्द हो चुका हूँ।
That's right. We are approaching another point wherein S3 will separate.
S3 is separated.
और तृतीय चरण का प्रतिकरण भी हो चुका है।
And you see wonderful views of S3 separating. And now we have combined coasting has ended, and stage 4 will now coast on its own for
कक्षा स्थापन या समायोजन खंड ऑर्बिट एडजस्टमेंट मॉड्यूल के नाम से भी जानते हैं, जिसमें द्रव्य प्रणोदन की अवस्थाओं से संचालन होगा, जो मोनोमिथाइल हाइड्रोजीन और डाइनाइट्रोजन टाइट्राऑक्साइड पे आधारित
Plus
है।
9 minutes.
उसके साथ यान के घूर्णी नियंत्रण के लिए, जिसे कंट्रोल थ्रस्ट, उसके अंतर्गत हमारे पास छोटे कोल्ड गैस थ्रस्टर्स जो कि नाइट्रोजन गैस पर आधारित हैं, वो भी कक्षा समायोजन खंड पे स्थित हैं।
S4 ignited.
And we've heard call out that S4 or stage 4 has ignited successfully.
और चतुर्थ और अंत
To nearly 7.64 kilometers per second, delivering the precise velocity needed to achieve its planned 450 by 450 kilometers circular low Earth orbit at a 60-degree inclination.
We have radiative cooling, and we have film cooling. And all three of these need to work seamlessly in sync to deliver this phenomenal outcome. So I'm kind of glued to the screens right now. You might just see me peeking over to try to see what the chamber pressure, what the thrust, and what the temperatures are like. But I think I might have to hold for a bit and look at that data in a little while. A challenge, and even after the temperatures would still be too high for normal metals to handle. And for this exact position that we have cut off of the Raman 2 engine, which means
Solaris
that,
satellite separate.
and we have separation of the
Scope
Solaris
satellite separate.
satellite and the Scope satellite.
Vikram
Both satellites have been deployed
successfully.
successfully, and we have reached space on our first
जी
attempt
हाँ,
successfully.
इतिहास में पहली बार एक यान ने अपने प्रथम परीक्षण उड़ान में ही उपग्रहों को उनकी निर्धारित कक्षा में स्थापित कर दिया है.
And now comes something very, very interesting. You can see on your screen from on board the cosmic bloom and the micro art. And we have sun rising behind it. It is the dawn of a new space era.
ये एक नए अंतरिक्ष युग का प्रारंभ है. सूर्य के किरण ने ये प्रकाशित कर